Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving into the word lunacy, a fascinating English word you might hear or read sometimes. But what does it really mean? Lunacy means a state of being very crazy or insane. It's often used to describe actions or ideas that seem wild, foolish, or completely unreasonable. The word comes from the old belief that the moon could affect a person's mind. For example, if someone says, "that idea is pure lunacy," they mean the idea doesn't make any sense or is very silly. Now, let's explore some synonyms for lunacy. Madness, insanity, craziness, foolishness, absurdity. Each word adds a slightly different flavor. Madness and insanity sound more serious, while foolishness and absurdity are lighter and often used humorously. Using these synonyms helps you express yourself clearly and avoid repeating the same word. Try using lunacy in a sentence like this: "Trying to finish this project in one night was lunacy." Remember, expanding your vocabulary with words like lunacy makes your English richer and more interesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more fun and easy vocabulary lessons. See you next time.